Hey guys, welcome back to EduChamp. In this video, we'll be proving how 3 plus 2 is equal to 4. So normally 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, right? But in this video, we'll be proving how it's equal to 4. So let's go into the video. Okay, so let's start off with minus 20 is equal to minus 20. That's true, right? So we can take minus 20 as 16 minus 36. And minus 20 on the right hand side as 25 minus 45. So 16 would be 4 squared, and then 36 would be 4 times 9. So this would work. So that's equal to 25 is equal to 5 squared minus 45 is equal to 5 times 9. Okay, then we can just take the same values on the left hand side, but all we do is add 81 divided by 4. So this is equal to 5 squared minus 5 multiplied by 9 plus 81 divided by 4. So it's the same, we're just adding 81 over 4. So now 4 squared minus 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 9 divided by 2. So we're just multiplying this by 2, and then we're taking 2 away from 9, so that works. Plus, so now here we have 81 divided by 4. We can also write that as 9 squared over over 2 squared, or 9 over 2 whole squared. So that is equal to 5 squared minus 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 9 over 2 add 9 over 2 squared. So it's the same thing, we're multiplying by 2 and we're multiplying by 2, dividing by 2, dividing by 2, and then factorizing the fractions. Okay, to write the next equation, we need to learn a simple formula. I'll just write the formula over here. So the formula is x minus y squared is equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So if we apply that here we have x squared, 4 squared, minus 2xy, minus 2 times 4 times 9 over 2, plus y squared plus 9 over 2 squared, and the same here. So what do we get? We get 4 minus 9 over 2 squared is equal to 5 minus 9 over 2 squared. So 4 minus 9 over 2 is equal to 5 minus 9 over 2. Therefore, 4 is equal to 5 minus 9 over 2 plus 9 over 2. So you can see where I'm going. We can just cancel these out. Now, if you go here, let's do that. So 4 is basically equal to 5. When 4 equals to 5, 5 also equals 4. And if we substitute 5 for 3 plus 2, we get 3 plus 2 is equal to 4. So that is it. Okay, so how is this possible? How is 3 plus 2 equal to 4? Normally 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, right? Well, I've made a small but costly mistake in one of these steps, and if you're able to identify that mistake over here, then just comment down below and I'll be pinning the first comment. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want me to do any other educational video, then use the Google Forms link in the description and simply fill out the video idea and click enter. It's that simple. Or you could also comment the idea down in the comment section below. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure to subscribe and like the video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.